Jen here. So today we are going to make corned beef and cabbage skillet. It's very simple. The only thing that really takes time making this dish is cooking your corned beef brisket, because I bought about 2.5 pounds of corned beef brisket, and then I trimmed off the fat, and then I added about 6 cups of water into a pot, add my corned beef brisket, and also those juniper berries that comes with the package, and then I let it boil first for a few minutes, then I cover it and lower the heat and simmer until the corned beef is tender. It takes about 1.5 to 2 hours. So that's really about the longest time that you're gonna have to spend making this dish. But after that, you'll be okay. And then I also roasted my potatoes. This is about 3 russet potatoes that I peeled, and then I cut into bite-sized pieces. Then I season it with some rosemary flakes. I like rosemary, even dried or fresh rosemary, because it gives a really nice earthy, woodsy flavor. And then just salt, pepper, and drizzled with a little bit of olive oil. And then make sure that you spread your potatoes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and in a single layer, so then they can bake evenly. So it takes about 30 minutes, and you're gonna have something like this. This is cut into bite-sized pieces the same way with the corned beef right here. Also bite-sized pieces like that after it cooked. And then we're gonna add everything together. I have celery, onion, carrot. I'm adding a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. I have my dried herbs and spices right here that we're gonna add. Everything is gonna be written down. I will have the recipe for you. And the liquid that I cooked my corned beef in, I reserve about 1/2 cup of that liquid. So we're gonna add it later when we're cooking our skillet. So let's go ahead and saute the onions first, and then we're gonna add everything. Okay, so let's go ahead. Go ahead and add the onion into the hot oil. Saute for about 1 minute or 2, or until tender or translucent. And then we're going to add our carrot and celery, combine everything together and let them cook until tender. But you still want a little bit of crisp, so don't overcook your veggie. You still want that crunchiness in there. And then we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning. So here I have parsley flakes, dried thyme, dried rosemary, garlic powder, ground coriander, red chili pepper flakes, and a teaspoon of salt. And here we're adding the cooked corned beef. And then add the Worcestershire sauce. And then we're going to add that liquid that we reserved, that we cooked the corned beef in. And then add the shredded cabbage. And then just stir everything, combine everything until the cabbage is wilted. And then we're going to be adding the roasted potato. So pretty much everything is already cooked. We're just reheating everything. So make sure that you constantly stir until everything is well heated. All right, we're done. It's not so bad at all. So let's go ahead and try our dish. This is such a complete meal. Okay, so I like my potatoes there, my corned beef, some of the cabbage, and let's go ahead and try it. Okay. Such a beautiful flavor. All those spices and dried herbs, and like I said, the rosemary gives that really nice earthy touch there, and it is amazing with the potatoes and the cabbage, and a little bit of that carrot and celery going on there. So this is really a perfect harmony of flavor. So my lovelies, try this and let me know what you think. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can get notification every time I do a cooking demo. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.